Okay. Hi, I'm Bernice Kramer from Bose Professional. We're so happy to be here at ISE 2020, the last show in Amsterdam. And we're introducing today our Bose Videobar VB-1, which is right over here. This is an all-in-one USB conferencing video bar that includes microphone pickup and camera that goes all the way to 20 feet or 6 meters. So you can install these in rooms that normally would have had to be integrated rooms. It's an excellent quality product from Bose. We're very excited to have everybody see and hear it. And it's introduced here at the show today for the first time. Thank you. For more information, you can come visit us at pro.bose.com.